55316. Custom wiring, but it's actually factory wiring. Awesome. My list of repairs on this truck is rapidly closing. All right, you guys will recognize this spot from when I was doing my reverse lights. Now that they're working, I feel pretty comfortable. Come on. Let me just add this apart. There we go. All right. That's a part there. And this one here is a little bit different. The other one there was a solid one, but basically it's an intercept. So real fast, real easy, and this is what I love about factory wiring harnesses like this, how everything just slips together. There's already dielectric grease in this. I'm not super worried about it because they are sealed units, but the fact that we saw corrosion in these things, yeah, you heard the click. Clickety click, 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 click. All right, so I love how they butt connected or soldered all these connectors right there like that. I mean, whatever. I don't know. It's, I guess just the end, right? They put it on the harness that they build. So that's Curtis. So now I've already got, and what I would highly recommend is I've already got, one of the things I like about it is the cap on there, and I've already got dielectric grease inside this. Stop that thing from corroding. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bundle this up. Maybe on the back side of this. I don't have a zip tie. I do have an elastic. I got to figure out how I want to tie this up now, and that's part of the harness. So when I do get my trailer hitch, which I'm gonna have to drill holes for, I'll probably do a video on that when I do it. This likely has to get moved. I just put them here to get them up out of so they're not hanging down like this one currently is. So I got to figure out where I want to put this. But just a really quick video of me putting in the trailer wiring harness on the OBS 1993 F-150. So that's how easy that was, guys. So yeah, just a quick video for you. Content, right? That's what she's all about. So again, like, share, comment, do all that kind of stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Found it informative in the very least. And made in Mexico. 55316, and it passed, so apparently it works. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace. And if anything, that's a good spot for it. I rerouted this one here to go through up and around, way better than hanging down. And this one here, if I just leave this little dongle dancing right there with the main wiring harness above it, you know what, if I ever got to hook up to it, it's right there and it's out of the way. Great place for it. Now looking at it from the back, I mean, you're never going to really be this close to it, but that looks almost factory. Gotta love it. See you guys next one.